Hello friends, great. This is our third session. In first session, we learned about few strong personalities and their strong positive stories, which they told to themselves. In second session, we understand the journey of superheroes, how to be a glad man, gratitude, laughter, ambition, and the most important is the mantra of development. Now, warm welcome from me, Jitendra Deshmukh, for this next part of our journey. Now, after gathering so much positive power like a superhero, what we are going to do? You might have this question, this puzzle, but for me, I have huge belief that there is a tremendous power in one. There is a matchless power in one. Now, you may be confused. You might have doubt. What is this all about one? Okay, let me explain. One seed has a power to create a forest. One smile can begin a relationship of a lifetime. One hand can lift a millions of souls like Baba Amte or Sindhutai Sapkal, mother of orphans. One laughter can conquer a gloom. Now every morning when I go on ground for my daily warm up, few senior citizens comes there and they practice their laughter therapy. When they do ha 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 ha, while watching them, not only me but so many around them forget their pains and sorrows. That one laughter make a miracle in their life. One touch can show you care. One hope can rise our spirit. For example, after my accident in 2011, I lost my right foot tendons. But that one hope made me run in just 10 months. One action make a difference when I am working on something. I plan something, but after that, one action make a distinct change around. For example, we say that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. And this one is best. That one well-lived life can become an inspiration for generations to come. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Steve Jobs, what these people have done in one life, it's beyond the reach. This is strength of one. I'm a huge fan of one. Now my question to all of you, do you really want to be one of them? Like one of them? Or undoubtedly, I want to be that one. Let's me try to find out who all made this possible. We'll find it together. I'm a huge believer of power of one. Never say how is it possible alone. अरे भाई जिंदगी में बहुत बार शुरुआत अकेले को ही करनी पड़ती है और जब करते जाओगे तो सड़क बन जाती है. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj started this Swarajya. Then Maratha dynasty extend their boundaries till Attock, border of Pakistan and Afghanistan. One girl, Malala Yousafzai from Pakistan, started a fight against Talibani for the right of female education. And that changed the way we look at girl education in the world. This is the power of one. Do you want to be that one? Let's discover. When you want to be this one, there will be challenges. Sometimes it will be depressing. Sometimes you will feel low. Sometimes you will feel losing hopes. Sometimes rising up will be very difficult. What do you want to do that time? Let me share my experience. Now, there will be situations in your life where you want to be like a blooming, fresh, fragrant flower like this. But when life hits you little hard, situation is not in your favor. I grew up at Junnar, my hometown, with my grandmother. My parents used to stay in Pune, and our financial condition was not very good. When I was in fourth standard in municipality school, I was wanting to go for a school trip at Shirdi. And because of little extra expenses of my parent denied it. My dream remained dream to go to school trip ever after. Due to same reason, and it keep happening, and something died within me. When I was in first year of my college, I had decided to go for basic mountaineering course. At that time, I had to collect my fees. So I worked at the well digging as a well digging labor at the well digging construction site just for 2 days. But something died within me. At my workplace, I was not fluent in English. After having enough knowledge about outdoor but not able to express and explain, something died within me. In 1997, I had a big loss in farming. When I was expecting good return, and that time there was some function, a big function at my family. Something died within me. In 2011, after my accident, in 10 to 12 months, I became normal. That time, I had a great need to work due to so many extra expenses. So I called few of my colleagues from my profession to help me for some work. But nobody reciprocated. Something died within me. In 2015, my house was on fire. I lost a good collection of many antique articles. It was a big loss for me. Something died within me. This type of situation happens so many times in your life. And that one fresh blooming fragrant flower, which was my dream, which was my wish to remain as a dream, and that remained as a dream only. There is a saying, only a broken key can open the locks. And the same thing happens with me. How that happened? Because it was my wish to be with my conviction, to be with my wish, to be with my dream. But there will be experiences in your life when you want to be a blooming flower, but you remain like this stick. But that one wish, that one friend which you have, that one commitment which you have, that one inner voice which you have, you'll make the all difference with this. There are many people who influence in your life. There are many who became the part of your life and changed your life entirely upside down. Umesh Jirpe is the first example for me who has made a great impact in my life, who helped me for my basic mountaineering course, and after having a grade A, he guided me for my advanced method of instruction, search and rescue courses. At the time of my first mountaineering expedition, he also funded me and supported me. To have my respected mountaineering identity, Umesh contributed a lot. In 1994, because of my friend Sanjay, I met Vasanta Vasantimaya. It opens a new great episode in my life. The IIT graduate Vasant himself is a great mountaineer, writer and pioneer whose initiative started the outdoor education or outdoor management development programs in India. He offered me an opportunity to work with him on these outdoor development programs. Since that time, and also till today, he guided and brought big transformation within me. As a team player, as a leader, I transformed a lot of things within me. He developed a confidence of conducting or offering any type of outdoor development programs in any part of this planet. Now, when I looked at my life, I experienced a huge shift within me. While working with Vasant and the team High Places, I really learned a lot. No other educational institute can offer me that part of my development. No other education institute cannot offer me that part of my learning. So thanks a million to Umesh, Vasant. These people as an individual comes in my life and keep pushing me, nudging me. That made a remarkable shift or change in my life. In life, there will be a situations where you feel like I can't. You will feel it is beyond my reach. I have to take a break. You will feel very low. It will find very difficult, really tough. In this type of circumstances, you should remember a Latin phrase. It says, percussa resurgo. What does it mean? It means when trapped, do rise up. Now just see the screen. You may slip, you may flip, you may tumble. It doesn't really matter. Just one more time. Every time when you fall down, or ek bar, and that will change your entire life. That is percussa resurgo. Every time, keep this in your mind. Let me fall, but I will rise back. Percussa resurgo. Resurgo comes from the phrase resurgent. It means rise. And this rising up may make all the difference in your life. Do not wait till somebody is going to lift you. Now my question to all of you, are you going to lift anyone? Your family, your friend, your neighbor, everyone around you need help. To whom are you going to help? Now you know the power of one. You also know so many examples of one. You also know that miracle of one personality can create. You also know about me as an individual, as how one's life throws so many challenges and how one will lift you up. Whenever you'll feel I'm falling down, you'll rise up. Just remember percussa resurgo. Who practices percussa resurgo? Champions. Every time champions fall, they will rise up. They will bounce back. They don't take no. They don't accept no. They don't take losses. For them, victory is more important. And that's their goal. For example, Virat Kohli, Sachin Tendulkar, Amitabh Bachchan, these are the real champions. And now the second category, which we call as hero. Now who is hero? Hero is somebody who is not taking care of only himself, but he also take care of somebody else. At least one person. So in my contest, my friend Umesh Jirpe or Vasant Dimay are the heroes who lifted me at right time when I was completing my basic mountaineering course, trying to climb new peaks, also setting up myself in outdoor field of outdoor. That time they helped me. And now there is a third, which is very brilliant category, which is about taking care of larger goal, taking care of many, which create an impact around everyone, which we call as superhero. Because they lift multiple people. They also help them to change themselves and also according to their wish. Do you want to be a superhero? Today, our country, India, Hindustan, Bharat, wants superhero. Your family, your friend needs superhero. Can we lift them up? Let's show the power of superhero. You, my friend, you are all superheroes. And now lift up the country to its original glory. That's the challenge for us. This country doesn't need those people who tell what is not right, what is not okay. This country needs people who say, despite of this, I can do this. I have a solution. And if I don't have, I will find that solution. To live this country, we need dreams. And to achieve, we need that commitment. Do you know chances of success of this commitment? Okay, let's discover it. We'll discover it together. Look at this man jumping on the bulb, keeping himself in a spotlight. Now he thinks he has an idea. वो इसके बारे में इतने लोगों को बताएगा, बार बार बोलेगा, देखो मैम, देखो टीचर, देखो बॉस, ये फुल बोल बच्चन है। उसे लगता है कि एक्सप्रेस कर दिया ना तो हो गया, बट देयर चांसेस ऑफ सक्सेस इज 10%. Their thought might be very good, the idea would be very brilliant, but with only expression, chances of success is just 10%. You want to know next one? These people who are little ahead of this, they will start working on this idea. They will plan something. ये देखो मेरा ऐसा ऐसा आइडिया है, अब मैंने ऐसे ऐसे प्लान करके रखा है. They will go to teacher, they will go to principal, they will show brilliant presentation on PPT, on Excel. But with all this, again, the success will be up to 40%. But there are few who will be like, आइडिया भी है, आइडिया तो बोलेंगे भी, बढ़िया प्लानिंग भी करेंगे, उसका कमिटमेंट भी रहेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट इट बी एनीथिंग, लेकिन मेरा कमिटमेंट है ना, मैं 3 घंटे स्टडी करूंगा, तो कुछ भी हो जाए मेरा कमिटमेंट ही रहेगा. नाउ विद दिस डिटर्मिनेशन, चांसेस ऑफ सक्सेस विल बी 65%. बट विथ ऑल दिस, इज इट इनफ? I have expressed idea, I have plan, I have determination. No, we need something more. If you look at every Superman or every super successful hero, rock star, they will be accountable for something or someone. Even best of the best player need mentor or coaches. When you are accountable, then you have to report everything to your trainer or your teacher. But with this accountability, the kind of result you will have, which is beyond imagination. My life changed because I hold myself accountable for my growth and development. When I was 20 years old, no one from my family was ready to take responsibility of our farm. There I made myself accountable for my farm and everything changed accordingly. See, something with my home, with my profession, I made myself accountable. And this started changing. Are you willing to be accountable for something or someone? Because this country need you. Let's do something. कुछ थोड़ा कमाल का करते हैं, कुछ धमाल सा करते हैं. अब दुनिया में आए हैं ना, तो कुछ करके जाएंगे. ये जो जिंदगी मिली है वो बार बार नहीं मिलती. तो we'll do something incredible, something miraculous. Friend, Bharat has been culturally very rich country since ages. And not only culturally, but also we have abundance of knowledge and wealth. We were ruled by Mughals, we were ruled by Portuguese, we were ruled by Britishers. If you look at all other countries like USA, they are free from last 250 years. And China, which has been there, which they don't have ruled by anyone. They have long history of 5,000 years. Compared to them, we are very young country. But I will say that we are just 70 years old, 73 years old. But being a young country, we have advantages that we can skip a new Bharat. As I said, we are just 73 years old. In next 27 years, we have century to come. Now let me ask you a very important question. What vision do you have for Bharat at 100? In next 27 years, how do you want your India to be? In what facet of life? In what dimension of life? In which area? In which category? How do you want to see Bharat at 100? Take few seconds and just note it down how you want Bharat at 100. 27 years is a good time to whatever we want to achieve, to whatever we want to create, to whatever we want to make this country as glorious as it was. Please spend some time and write it down. How do you want your Bharat at 100? Done? Okay, great, awesome. Now, I think you have a vision board in your mind. that how do you want India to be. Let me ask you another question. What this country need today? I know this country has corruption, many bad politicians, poor infrastructure, illiteracy, and so many issues. I know, I know you are nodding your head and also understand that what you are thinking. Let me ask you another question. What role you want to play to make this Bharat as great as Bharat at 100? Take few seconds, think and write it down. Dear friends, when we started we to look, it was looking like we are alone. But Perkusa Risargu, it is not mean by it is not being alone. It is about being that one that will make all the differences. Rabindranath Tagore, so beautifully in Bengali poem, they wrote that if you call and no one comes to help you, choose to walk alone on your path. Ekla Chalobe, that poem. It's really true. ये जिंदगी एक बार ही मिलती है, तो चलो ना कुछ कमाल का करते हैं, कुछ धमाल सा करते हैं. लोग जुड़ेंगे, शुरुआत करेंगे, एक एक स्टेप करते निकल जाएंगे, लेकिन उस जोश के साथ, उस जुनून के साथ, उस पैशन के साथ, उस हिम्मत के साथ चलेंगे ना तो हो जाएगा. Let's begin. Let's start marching towards the vision which we have crafted today. Now, friend, something very important for you. Listen please carefully. You are going to create a video. You are going to create a video with two things. One, what is the vision for Bharat at 100? What is your vision? Whatever. And two, what role are you going to play in achieving that vision for Bharat at 100? These are the two questions. And you will create or record this video minimum in 2 minutes or maximum 3 minutes. And then please send this video at 77410 85000. I repeat, 77410 85000. Once you send this video, we will be looking at it. We will be reviving this video, and those video where we will feel impressed, we will feel and there we will extending our support system, and we will help you to achieve your goal, to fulfill your dreams. I am also going to send my video about my vision of Bharat at 100 and also what role I am going to play. You believe in this country, right? You believe in this vision for Bharat at 100, right? You love your country, right? तो चलो ना फिर कुछ करते हैं. शुरू में अकेले हुए तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है? अकेले तो आए हैं, अकेले ही जाएंगे, लेकिन पूरी कोशिश करके जाएंगे. कोशिश से मुझे अभी हरिवंश राव बच्चन की कुछ पंक्तियां याद आ रही है कि लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. परकुसा रिसर्गो. नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चढ़ती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है. मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना करता है. आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. डुबकियां सिंधु में गोताखोर लगाता है, जा जाके खाली हाथ लौट कर आता है. मिलते नहीं सहज ही मोती गहरे पानी में, मिलते नहीं सहज ही मोती गहरे पानी में, लेकिन मुट्ठी उसकी खाली हर बार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. Again, percusa resurgo, very important. Even if you fall, rise up. Last thing, something very important. असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो. असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो. क्या कमी रह गई, उसे देखो और सुधार करो. जब तक न सफल हो, नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम. जब तक न सफल हो, नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम. संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम. कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. Let us start. Let us begin. You know you are unique. You are original. You are one of your kind. Every human being is different. You are one of yourself as one kind. And the fact that you are born, that itself is a miracle. And if you are a miracle, can't you create a miracle and lift this country to its original glory? On this day, I really want to appeal all of you. Let's make this life accountable. Let's do something incredible, make India proud of us. Instead of asking what India has done for me, start asking what I can do for this great nation. What I can do for this great nation. Thank you. Jai Hind.